Hi everybody, today in this video we are going to discuss different steps that you need to follow to convert from TCS Digital to TCS Innovator. And if you convert to TCS Innovator, then in that case you are going to get 10 plus LPA package in your salary. Okay, so guys, today content of the video will be like this. All the courses that is required to convert to TCS Innovator. After that I will discuss different exam duration and different types of question that is going to be asked in those exam which we are going to appear. So guys, please like this video and subscribe the channel for getting more updates regarding this. So guys, let me show you one screenshot. If you look at the screenshot, and you can see here you have to clear 5 exams. One is TCS Innovator coding challenge, one is biz skill with distinction, articulation with distinction, process with distinction, and among DCA, unit elective and TSLP tech tracks, among one of these you have to clear with distinction. So guys, let me explain you first about this innovator coding challenge because this is most difficult one. So guys, for these three, biz skill, articulation and process, first you have to declare a competency on iVolve. After that you have to register these exams in survey that is going to be released 1 week before the exam, and you have to give the exam directly. No course is required to do on iVolve. Okay, so for these three, base skill, articulation and process, the concept is clear, right? Now let's move to the innovator coding challenge. So guys, for this innovator coding challenge, to become eligible for this innovator coding challenge, first you have to clear one TSLP tech track, and you are not required to clear this TSLP tech track with distinction. Even if you clear this TSLP tech track, just pass, you will be eligible for innovator coding challenge. And when you pass innovator coding challenge, then you will be able to clear this step 1. Okay, so guys, let me explain you about this TSLP tech track. So there are different tech tracks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take example of TSLP tech track 5. And this TSLP tech track 5 is from DevOps. Okay, we are taking one example. Okay, and based upon this we are going to explain you how the pattern of the exam will be and duration of the exam. So first you have to clear TSLP tech track, then you will be eligible for innovator coding challenge. So in TSLP tech track you will be getting at least 30 to 40 MCQ and duration will be 1 hour, and you will be getting one coding question also and duration will be 2 hours. So depending upon the tech track that you have selected, the coding and the MCQ will be asked on the same pattern. So one of our associate have selected T5, and T5 is based on DevOps. So the question was asked in this TSLP tech track, coding question was like this, like it was basically on multi-level Docker file and networking between containers. So it is something associated with Docker file. So if you go to the Google and solve some questions on Docker, then it will be easy for you to clear this T5 track. So first they are going to take the exam of MCQ of around 30 to 40 MCQ. When you clear this exam, then you become eligible for the hands-on of tech track. This tech track coding exam will be of 1 hour. And in this exam you have to clear this code. Once you clear this coding exam, then you will be eligible for TCS Innovator coding challenge. So in TCS Innovator coding challenge you have one question, and this will be a coding question, and this coding question will be again asked from the tech track that you have selected. So one of our subscriber have selected T5. So the question that they have asked like this, like the question was on Docker Compose, where we have to write a Docker file using Python image to run the Flask application on the given port, that is 5000, then create and run the image as container on the given port. And they have been given around 3.5 to 4 hours for this question. So when you clear this question, when you solve this question, then after that you will be clearing step 1. And when you clear the step 1, then you have to give exam for biz skill 1, biz skill 2, articulation, process. After clearing all this, you have to clear the last step, and this is based on either DCA or unit electives or the TSLP tech track. As you know, we have different TSLP tech tracks like tech track 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So among those you can choose anyone. In DCA you can also choose anyone, and in unit elective you can choose anyone. So among these three you have to choose anyone. You can give exam of many, but you have to get distinction of any one exam. So when you clear either of these exam with distinction, then you will be able to clear this TCS Innovator exam, and finally you will be able to get 10 plus lakhs package. So guys, if you have any type of comments, if you have any type of doubt, please put in the comment section. I will try to reply all of them.